I want to start out by saying I'm very new to this program, and there's probably a better way to do what I'm doing, but this is just how I eventually learned how to do it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a basic shape vector logo in Krita. The first thing you want to do is go on here to the bottom right, click the little drop-down menu, and click on vector layer. You know it's a vector layer because of that little symbol right there. Um, I guess I probably should have said this first. I'm going to show you guys how to make this roughly. Alright, so now that you got your vector layer, click on it, and you're going to use the polygon tool. And you can use other tools too, uh, but this is one I use just to make the basic shapes. This is like closed shapes. If you want non-closed shapes, you can use the polygon line tool or the polyline tool. My bad. So for example, make sure. So this is how it's going to start out. I think it's going to start out with just an outline. So yeah, right there, it'll just make an outline. If you wanted to fill it in, obviously you can go to the two options right here, and then go to foreground color or background color. So like that. It'll fill it in, and if you want it to look sharper than that, whoops, hold on. Then you would go to no outline. So then now I take this triangle, it's gonna look a lot sharper because there's no outline there. So that's how I'll use that tool. So I guess now I'll get started in the shape. So I'm gonna try to trace this, see how well that works. So I'm gonna zoom all the way over here. Whoops. Let's. Oh man. All right. Click right there. And then I'm also going to do this shape right here, and then I'm going to mirror it over so I don't have to do it all again. And so it looks exactly the same. Oh, shit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, layer 6, going to duplicate layer or mask. Then on this copy, I'm going to go up top here to layer, transform, and merge layer horizontally. And you see right there, I'm going to take away this. It just flipped it. But now these are two separate layers, so I'm going to go back here and merge with layer below. I'm sure that there's a better way to do that. That's just how I eventually ended up figuring out. So now let's go and trace this last shape real quick. There we go. So now I have all that done. I'm gonna get rid of. Oh, all right. Well, I definitely fucked that up, but that's okay. I'm just gonna show you now how to change the color of it. So you're gonna click on your vector layer. You're gonna go to tool options. You're gonna go over here and click on the selector tool, and you can drag and highlight all of these. And then you go to the fill bucket over here. Click on color. Oh, actually no. And then you can go up here to the advanced color selector and change your color around. So you want it like that. And that's basically it for making it. Now, if you want to just save uh, the vector file, you don't actually just go to File, Save As. What you want to do is you want to click on the layer. So I'm actually just going to use this layer. This layer actually like error is good. Click on that. Go to Layer, Import Export, save vector layer as SVG. Okay, now with this SVG file, if you want to put it in something and like it just be the logo, or if you want to add text, you can obviously add text, but you're gonna want to resize the background. So what you want to do is go to Image, Resize Canvas, and if you want to keep it like the same ratio, you click this little thing and it's down, or I guess constraint properties, whatever. And then yeah, you can change it to whatever size you need. And then once you're done with and once you change it to whatever size, I'm just gonna do 2000. Then you can go to File and save as PNG or JPEG or whatever. And that should do it. If this video helped you, please leave a like. See you guys next time.